Hi, my name is Hiro from HeroMotives, a Honda Master Tech sharing S 2000 builds, track driving tips, and real mechanic advice.
So I came across something interesting on Facebook ad. This universal swivel adjuster from R Theory. R Theory makes parts for Miatas, S2000s, and a bunch of other cars, so I was curious how this thing actually works.
ヒロモーティブ
So putting this R Theory swivel adjuster, let's see how it goes. First thing first, remove this swivel link.
Installation is straightforward, but ideally you should have adjustable sway bar links so you can accommodate new mounting points.
So the way this work is if you put this way to extend sway bar leverage, this is going to be softer. If you flip this, like this, to make it shorter, this is gonna be reducing the leverage, which is gonna be stiffer swivel. So it looks like this, and hard to see, but so whenever you put the swivel on, it should be loaded a bit. So to do it like best way is to use like alignment lock, but I don't have it, of course. So I'm using this jack stand on the other side too. So suspension is loaded. That's it for the installation. I made a separate video for how it went on actual track. Please check those also. Thanks for watching. God bless.
ヒロモーティブ